Let us start with the Powerball for today. This is the Powerball for today. Today's date is the 21st of October 2025, and the jackpot for the Powerball is 160 million rand. Yes, it's 160 million rand, and you only choose six numbers. For those who don't know, you only choose six numbers. It's from 1 to 50. You only choose six numbers, including the bonus ball in those six numbers, and the bonus ball is from 1 to 20. Yes, you choose one number from 1 to 20, and five numbers from 1 to 50. So those are the numbers for the Powerball, and we are doing the signals. For those who don't know, we usually use the signal to determine the numbers, or you can also use the code, whatever the method works for you, as long as you get those numbers. So in this video, we're doing the signals. So whenever a number is at a certain number, let's say the signal is at 20, 28, you will choose a number that comes before 28, which is 27. Or if it's between 13 and 15, you will choose 14, just like this. That's how we do the signals. So I always have the signals on me, and I will just call out and give you the direction of the numbers. For today's signals, let's start with the first one, which is the first one is 35. So the signal was at 34 and 36. So you had to choose a number that comes between 34 and 36, which is 35. So our first number is going to be 35. Let me just be first. Let's say our first number is going to be 35, and the second number is going to be 38. Those are the Powerball signals. We're going to say we also have a 38. Another number that we see there is 47 and 48. This one is very difficult. It's kind of like it was supposed to bring 49, but we're just going to say 47 and 48. So we're going to say 47, 48. Another signal is going to be 28. Yes, I see 28. I'm going to say 28. We have 28 there. Another number is going to be 13. Yes, it's going to be 13. And another number is going to be 21. It's going to be 21. Yes, 21. Sorry, 21. And it's going to be followed by 8 or 9. That means we do have two signals. For those who don't know, the red signal and the green signal. The other one shows that the signal is going to be at 8. The other one shows that the signal is going to be at 9. That means we have to choose a number between 8 or 9. Yes, have to choose between 8 or 9. Another signal that I see, there's going to be 6. We have 6 there. We have 6. Another one that I see, there's going to be 2 or 1. So this is what I see. I see 2 or 1. Yes, 2 or 1. That means you have to choose between a 2 or 1. So we're going to say another signal is going to be 2 or 1. So guys, I'm done with the signals. This is for this week, guys. This is for today. This is for today. This includes the Powerball Plus. It's for both Powerball and the Powerball Plus. Oh, you only have to choose a few numbers and place them on the Powerball, and choose the other numbers or the remaining numbers, and you can play them on the Powerball Plus. The difficult part about these numbers is that you have to know how to choose numbers and how to pair, which is the most difficult part. But these numbers, I promise you, they're definitely going to come. We just need to know how we can pair these numbers. But it's fine. I just hope one of you can grab that jackpot, which is around 160 million rand, which is a lot of money, guys. It's a lot of money. So let me get into the tea time. Let's check for the tea time. Yes, let's check for the tea time and check what we can do. So this is for the Powerball and the Powerball Plus. Don't forget it applies for both Powerball and the Powerball Plus. For the tea time, this is what we have, which is 8, 14, 19, 30, 31, 47, and 15. So the first thing that you see there, you see the conservative numbers, which is 14, 15, and 30, 31, which is two pairs of conservative numbers. So you are going to say 14 plus 15, which is going to give you 29. But do you think or do you believe 29 is going to come? Because already a number that is close to 29, which is 30, already came. What do you think? Do you really think we can expect 29 to come? I don't know. At some point, I think I don't think it's coming. If it wanted to come, it was going to bring a number that is close to it, which is 28. Rather 28 coming, but I don't think 29 is going to come. Just like early in the morning when I did that video, we had a conservative number of I think it was 2 and 3, and it was giving us 5, and I clearly said 5 is not going to come. Rather, one number from a family of 5 is going to come. That's why I was thinking maybe 25 was going to come, but instead 15 is the one that came, so 5 was not going to come. Even in this situation, I don't think 29 is going to come. And remember, there's this equation. I actually forgot it. I think it was 9, 14, 15, 22, and 26. It contained such numbers 9, 14, 15, 22, and 26. And if you can check there, 14, 15 came, 14, 15 came, 14, 15 came, and 9 didn't come, but 8 was the one that came. That means we are left with the 22 and 26. I'm just giving you an example. There's this a certain equation, but let's forget about the equations. Let's get straight into the point. Another conservative numbers that we have there is 30 and 31. You're going to say 30 plus 31, and the 30 and 31 is going to give you 16, guys. It's going to give you 61, which is 16. So do I think 16 is coming? At some point, I'm convinced, okay, 16 might be another number that is going to come. I think we might be expecting 16, but 16 won't come alone. It might decide to come with a 15. This 15 might decide to come again. Why do I say so? If you can say 15 plus 16, 15 plus 16 is equal to it's going to give you what, guys? It's going to give you 31. It's going to give you 31, which we have 31 there. So I'm thinking, guys, 15 and 16, maybe we can go into tea time with 15 and 16. We can say, okay, 15 and 16 is going to come, but I don't think 31 is going to come, but 15 and 16, I think they're definitely going to come. So I'm sticking with 15 and 16. And why did I specifically choose 15 again? Another reason to support our answers is that whenever there's a pair of conservative numbers, either 14 or 15 is going to repeat. Since we are saying 29 is not coming, which is from 14 plus 15 is equals to 29. Since we are saying 29 is not going to come, that means either 14 or 15 it's required to repeat. And I'm thinking if I were to choose one number between 14 and 16, I mean 14 and 15, I was going to choose 15, because if you can check yesterday, 15 is still there, this 15 is still there. That means 15 already, I mean 14 is already there, this 14 is already there. That means we can no longer worry about 14, we can worry about 15. So I'm thinking 15 is going to come rather than 14. And 15, if 15 is going to come, it's going to come with 16, because 30 plus 31 is equal to 16, which flips this into 16. It flips this into 16. And which other numbers can we really expect? Let me give you another clues. So whenever you see numbers like, do you see we have, this is very strong. We have 8, we have 14, we have 14, and we have 31. These numbers are calling for 48, guys. These numbers are calling for 48. But we have a situation. 47 is already there. 47 already replaced 48. So is it safe to say, okay, we're going to expect 49 or 46? Or maybe we're still going to expect, maybe we're going to expect 48, who knows? But those numbers, they usually represent 48. 8, 14, 31. Let me check something. Did we have 6 yesterday? No, I didn't have a 6. But these numbers here, guys, 8, 14, and 31, they're representing 48. So I don't know if 48 is going to come. Since 47 already came, that means that 48 can go to 49. I'm not entirely sure, but those numbers also represent 48. And again, at 13 and 14, there's 2 here. They usually call for 27. 27 yesterday called for those 2 numbers. Do I really think this the 27 again, 14, 31 is still going to call for 27? I'm not sure. I'm not entirely sure, guys. It's just a lot of information here. So I'm just going to stick with the ones that I was showing you. I'm just going to stick with um 15 and 16. I'm just going to play 15 and 16 for 2 numbers, or you can also try to look for a third numbers. Yes, you can also try to look for a third number. So for the code, I think I didn't really want to get into the code, because it's just, it doesn't actually give us what we want. So I'm thinking of doing the code for tomorrow on the lunchtime. Today right now I just wanted to show you what we can do, um rather than breaking the code. This is what you can actually expect. How can I write them? How can I write them? I'm actually scared of 48. Yes, this 48 is just, it's something else. And I cannot say 48 and 49 was going to come. If this was 9, I was going to say, okay, 48 or 49 is going to come. But it's a different situation. It's a different situation. Can we really expect one number from a family of 8? Yes, we can. We can expect one. We can expect one, even though I don't know which one. But let's stick with 15 and 16, guys. Let's stick with 15 and 16 and see if they don't come. Let's stick with 15 and 16. So I'm going to say 15 and 16 is going to come. And whenever a certain number decides to come or flip, it actually forces another numbers to come. we might be expecting this 31 to be 13. We might be expecting something like that. We might be expecting 15, 16 and 13. 15, 16 and 13. Another number that can flip from there is a 30, which can also be 3, but I'm just going to leave it for now. I'm not going to say 3, but 13, 15, 16. I think we can play these numbers for the tea time. Remember, 14, this 14 and 31, they are calling for 27, but 27 already came yesterday. It called these numbers for today. So I don't think for 27 will repeat. I don't think so. Let's just leave it. And what about 48? This 48 is just something else, because it calls 8, 14 and 31. They're calling for 48. But if 48 wanted to come, I don't think it was going to come, but it was a number that was going to come is going to be 49 rather than 48. I think let's just stick with 49 rather than 48. Yes, let's just stick with those numbers. And let me check. 35 or 30. No, let me just leave that. Let's not do a lot of numbers. It's fine. 15, 16, 13 and 49 for the tea time.